Need to guard your car but the parking is far away from you? Need a security camera with a big zoom? Let's look at one camera. Stay with us! Hi, today we have a quick look at 4K unbranded security camera. This is PTZ camera, which means pan tilt zoom, and it has 30x optical zoom. This version comes with dual band Wi-Fi, but it doesn't support WPA3 or Wi-Fi 6. There are also Full HD and Cellular models available. The Full HD model doesn't have 5 GHz Wi-Fi, only 2.4. Also, this model has RJ45 network interface, and it is using very space-efficient compression algorithm H.265. Let's see what's in the box and run some tests. Stay with us! The camera can be controlled with an app from the phone and web management interface where you can control its position and zoom. The image quality is good, but contrast detection autofocus is slow. Not critical for a security camera, but it takes some time to focus, especially on maximal zoom. The colors are accurate, and for a security camera the image is detailed and sharp. It can distinguish license plates and people faces more than 50 meters away. Ah, the pigeons already appreciate the camera.